Hey guys, this is BETOCHINGON. I'm gonna be putting this part to my Nissan Titan to the dashboard, but I was just trying to put it together, and I was trying to put the clips, because the clips they don't come installed, they don't come pre-installed already, so you have to put them. I did put the center panel already. I put the switches there, and I think it's for the cigarette lighter. And I still have to put these clips to do the installation, but I also put this one here too. So I put that one, I put all this center panel, and I put two clips already here. Okay, there's two clips. I put this, like I said, I put this one here, and I put this center switch. By the way, normally when you get this part, they have this plastic installed, but really you don't want to use that one. Probably want to use the factory one because it grabs better from the switches. So anyway, everything looks good. I mean, it's not that great, but everything looks better than what I had. It was all broken. But this one here, the clips actually fit here. This one does here. But take a look at this one. You see, this clip here is shoot. Oh, yeah, okay. It goes here. It goes on this side here, okay? And this clip is wider than this plastic groove here. So I need to use a grinder and grind this part. Grind this part and grind the other part. Because that's what they did here. They actually, for some reason, they only grind these two pieces, these two plastics, but not the other ones. This one here, they didn't do it. That one there, they didn't grind the side, You can actually either grind one side and the other here, and this clip will fit. But without that, this clip won't go all the way down because it's actually hitting the sides here. This little side here is hitting it, and the other one too. The other option will be to grind the metal, but the metal, it doesn't really have that many options to grind it. Take a look. It's already, this part here, it's kind of narrow already, so there's no way you can grind the metal. So you need to grind the plastic here. On either side, it can be this side and this side, or this side and this side. But one of the sides, you need to grind it down to be able to slide this, to push down this clip. And that's on every single one of these other clip holders. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's see, and 5. That's 5. That's what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. So I need to grind those pieces. So I need a small grinder to do that. The good thing about it, I have one. So I'm gonna be doing that. But it's just extra work. They say you get what you pay for. But, on the other hand, the original part from the dealer, it didn't really, you notice how it was coming apart. I don't know if you guys did. I was doing another video, and that thing was coming apart. When I was taking it apart, it was just coming apart totally, completely was coming apart. It was so brittle. So that's the problem with these Nissan Titans, You probably need to keep it in a garage or, I don't know, protect it with some type of carpet or something, in the front, on the dashboard, because that's gonna get brittle. That's gonna get real brittle. This one broke, the one that goes by around the instrument cluster and everything, the speedometer and everything. That one that broke too. So it's just terrible. So I had to replace all this too, and it's a lot of work because you have to remove everything from the bottom. From the lower part of the dashboard, you have to remove all the panels and everything. The cup holder, the glove compartment. You name it. You have to move it. You have to take it off in order to put this part and some other parts. So I'm still working on that, but it's just too much work. So I'm gonna pause this video to do the grinding on these little pieces. For this, I'll be using this low price tool from Harbor Freight. Like I said, I'm just grinding the plastic on one side here and then the other side here. That's it. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I just need to do it more than one time. I need to do it here, I need to do it here. Okay, here, here, and here. That's where I need to do it. And it needs to be done on, like I said, if I do this side, I need to do the other side here. And on each one, I need to do that. Okay, well, That's what I need to do. So I'll be doing that right now. Okay, let me pause this video. See guys, this is what needs to be done. See, after grinding it, these clips, they just fit perfectly. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3. I just need to put the other ones. The only thing is I'm recording with one hand, so I have to pause the video to keep putting the other clips. You see, when you purchase this Chinese parts, you need to be ready to do a little modification, and that was just a little bit of grinding there, grinding here too, and all the clips now, they're set up the way they're supposed to be. That one there, all of them are ready. Now I can actually put this part back on the dashboard and get it done and keep going. It's kind of late right now, but I still have to keep going. I have to finish with this. I got other things to do to this vehicle tomorrow. So it was just a little delay with this, and then the other delay that is I was looking for my tools, but I found them, and it took me, like 5 minutes to get it done. So no big deal. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching this video, but this is what you need to do when you're replacing, sometimes, I don't think it's for every single part, but you never know. When you're replacing this part on a Nissan Titan, that's sometimes what you need to do. See, my other one was all brittle and also broken. Now this one is complete and ready for installation. And I'll be putting it in a few minutes. So I have to stop this video, and I'll go and keep doing what I was doing to put this part. Okay, this part actually I was just showing you guys what it needed to be done to put those clips. Without doing that, those clips, they didn't fit there. The clips are good. It's just whoever made this parts, they made this part where the clips go too narrow, and it wasn't possible to push them all the way down. And now everything's good. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, this is BETOCHINGON. Bye.